What happens when we go outside?
Like this. You got to see Benson away and keep it funny.
Wait for it to come back and hit you in the face.
Like Jimmy,
So cool.
you put your head sideways, like this way, and then stop making your legs go in the direction.
Damn, I'm stupid.
Nah,
That's alright.
you're not stupid. You're just like me. And I'm not stupid.
Now we know where we come from, Mom. She got the stupid gene and she don't realize it because she's so stupid.
That is mean.
You're not stupid.
Here's your sign.
You're just...
Wait a minute, I'm 42. You're 19. Dad, you're not stupid. You're just like me. Okay.
Hey.
Papa.
That's somebody that just don't realize.
They're fucking. Papa.
Exactly.
Papa.
Papa. Just papa.
Papa.
Mother.
Ah! Never rocked you.
See, smell. Smell it. No, seriously, smell.
Smell like hot dogs.
No, seriously. You smell that
There's a meth lab around here.
manure smell.
No, there's a meth lab around here.
You are a problem child. You know I'm zoomed in on you, right?
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I don't know what the hell that was.
Oh, you thought I was going to jump in, didn't you?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, I'm not sticking stupid.
Sticking stupid.
I'm not stupid. Oh, they caught me! Hot damn,
Don't look at me.
This is the only internet I can afford.
Hey, Daddy, you want to see the big bug? Hey,
You
Daddy.
gotta watch it. She'll put you on YouTube.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. That's why I see the big bug. It's sitting in that chair.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, good one.
Oh, thanks.
I hit my nose. I'm sorry, it hurt. Go get me a napkin. Ice or water if you
How'd you
rather.
get your nose?
He put the note.
Internet.
I realize.
Proof that the internet is dangerous.
It was slow.
You had dial up.
Sorry. Damn motor.
I told you.
That hurt.
Daddy temporarily has a virus.
Oh, that really hurt. Oh.